And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you how to create a radial gradient. We use the same setup from our last tutorial about linear gradients. So I've got a div container, added a size class, and then a gradient class. And for our radial gradient, we can use background minus image as property again. But now we'll have to use radial minus gradient instead of linear minus gradient. Let me add two colors, red and yellow once more. I refresh this and you can already see it. Just like with linear gradients, we can add more colors. And we can also adjust the positions. Let me get rid of the bluish color. And now we'll add, let's say 5%. And for yellow, 15%. So this once again works like this. The second value here for yellow is the end position. So after 15%, we'll get just the yellow color. But till 15%, it's a fade towards yellow. And if I add blue here, 50%, it works the same way. So at 50% we only have blue, up until there it's a fade from yellow to blue. As you can see, for now it's a circle gradient. But this is primarily because of our div container. So if I change the size here, the ratio of height to width, you can see it becomes an ellipse. So if you don't determine specifically that you want to have a circle, the size or the aspect ratio of your element determines if it is one or an ellipse. If you want to have a circle, no matter what the size of your element, you have to specifically add that as a value. Let me choose 300 and 600 so we can see all of the edges. And here I simply add circle and a comma before our colors. And now this is turned from an ellipse to a circle. One more thing to add. Let me add some specific values here, like let me go to 5, 10, 15. And now I add repeating minus radial minus gradient. And this repeats our gradient. And if I add the circle value before our colors, you can see this also works. As always, try it out yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.